All right, now we'll cut our oranges again, and there's a strange little part at the end, so we're just going to remove that altogether. And we're going to cut these slightly bigger than we did our peppers, because these are very liquidy and will shrink a bit as we cook them. All right, once these are cut up, we'll stir them once to separate them. And we're going to add them in with our sauce. And we'll give them one little stir to make sure that everything's nice and mixed up. Now we're going to remove this from the heat because we're almost ready to cook our chicken. So our burner is still on 8. We're going to add a tablespoon of oil. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, we're going to crack an egg. Then we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to go and blend them very slowly together.